class 6. Today I will be starting a new chapter from your English Bliss, and the name of this chapter is For His Friend's Life. You will get this chapter in page number 24. So before starting the class, I would like to say that please take out the book, your Bliss book, and turn to page number 24, and you will get the chapter For His Friend's Life. Okay. So at the first we have to see that what is there. For His Friend's Life, it is actually a story about friendship. Okay, that means what does it mean? What does the friendship mean? That is the most important thing in this chapter. Kartikeya's last wish before he was to be hanged was to pay a last visit to his sick mother. So at the first we are seeing that this is a character, name of the character where we can, in the story is Kartikeya, and Kartikeya's last wish, maybe he was about to die. So last wish before he was to be hanged, that means he was going to be hanged, and before his execution he wanted to see his sick mother. Okay, he had a mother and his mother was sick. The king was not ready to let him go because he was afraid that the Kartikeya would never come back for his execution. So, as you know that Kartikeya was about to be hanged, so he was a criminal. He was pointed out as a criminal, and he was not allowed to go to visit his mother. And because the king was not sure that whether he would come back, and that is why the king did not allow him to go to visit his sick mother for the last time. Madhavan, his friend, who used to visit Kartikeya every day, was the person who had given the news of his mother's illness to Kartikeya. So Madhavan was here, and Madhavan was the friend of Kartikeya, and he was the one who has given the news of Kartikeya's mother's sickness. Okay. So Madhavan offered to take Kartikeya's place in the prison till he returned. Madhavan, who was a very good friend of Kartikeya, he told the king, he proposed this that that means in place of Kartikeya, Madhavan would be there in the prison, and Kartikeya would go to visit his sick mother, and when Kartikeya would return back, and then Madhavan would be free. Okay. The king was surprised but agreed on the condition that it was convict but not return. If the convict did not return by the date of his execution, his friend would be hanged instead. At the first, the king was very much surprised. Obviously, no one could do this. That means a friend who knew that a man who knew that his friend would be died in few days, and in place of his criminal friend, he would be in the prison. And Madhavan here, he told that he would be in the prison in place of Kartikeya, because Kartikeya was very good friend of Madhavan, and Madhavan wanted to Kartikeya wanted to go to visit his sick mother, and in this relation Madhavan actually got this thing. Madhavan actually wanted to go to the prison for by himself. Okay, so it was really a very big matter. So the king was very much surprised, and he could not do that, how this could happen. Though he told that as if the convict means if the criminal, that means Kartikeya, would not return back in the proper time, then in the day of execution, then obviously in place of Kartikeya, Madhavan would be hanged. That means Madhavan would be that means killed. Okay. So when it was time for Kartikeya to make the return journey, there was a great cyclone and a lot of bridges were washed away. So Madhavan in place of Kartikeya, Madhavan was there in the prison, and he in Kartikeya also went to visit his mother. So when Kartikeya got the last visit of his mother and then he was returning back, that time it was really a time of cyclone, and all the lots of bridges were washed away because of the cyclone. Severe cyclone was there, and his journey took much longer than he had expected. That means his journey, Kartikeya thought that maybe in proper time he would be returning back to the prison, but it was not happening with him. Because of these natural calamities, that means cyclones and this all the bridges were washed away because of that, so Kartikeya could not able to come back to the prison. He swam across the rivers, walked and ran, and rode horses to try and reach back on time. So what did he do? Kartikeya was swimming. He swam across the rivers, walked and ran, and rode also on the horses, okay, and tried to reach back within the proper time, because he knew that if he would not return back, then his friend would be hanged. Okay, and he wanted to save his friend, his innocent friend, and that is why he tried to come back within the proper time. But actually he tried, but because of the natural calamities and all these problems, he could not able to come to the proper in place in proper time. Okay, he remembered the king's word, so he was remembering that the king told that if he would not come back in the proper time, then his friend would be hanged. Okay.